And welcome to the Dow Jones Industrial review here, and looking at what is coming up or possibly coming up for this coming week. Looking at, of course, the previous chart that I have outlined, with pointing out that this is the critical line, this is the breakout line, this is the test line, and we're back down to the critical line. I wanted to show you that in this area here now coming up, there's a possibility of breaking down further and then testing this bottom trend line as we are coming to this new week in September. The reason I'm saying that is because previously we've had these long candles breaking down through this critical line and testing it on the upward move, and this time it's stopped there. However, the day was, of course, very slow as far as very low in volume, so that could increase on Monday and complete this move like it has in the past. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. Now, if it breaks down this, of course, slower, then we have some other test sites here down below. And then, of course, the possibility of this 10.5 also looms. And then what looking at it backwards here, looking on it backwards, looking in the past, you can see that there's a strong support in this area right here, which is right in line with this trend right here. So it's about the 10.9 area again to be tested. And if, as I said, if it breaks that down, then we'll be possibly looking at, there's some other areas here that obviously it's come down to, like right here. However, this is also a possibility. So I don't want to paint too bleak of a picture. However, we have to keep an eye on these. Okay, and let's take a look at the DJT, the transportation, and see what that shows us, because that seems to have some clue that it'll give us as to what's coming, even in a closer picture. Touch this bottom trend line. It bounced from there, so but still it's on the bottom here instead of going back towards the top. So this again can be broken down. We'll just have to wait and see what happens come Tuesday, and keep an eye on it. Okay, and if we look at the SPX, we can see too that this has come down to the same line here. This is a support now. This could bounce or it can break down, and again we're just looking for other support areas here. And nothing, all these charts look pretty much the same, and all are developing somewhat of an M pattern too. That's something else to keep in mind. Okay, that's it. Trade it well carefully, and I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.